Today, I'm going to teach you how to power on your solar system powered by Solar Edge Inverters. So first, you're going to want to start at your main service panel. A lot of people also know it as a breaker panel. You're going to want to turn on the breaker that is labeled PV source breakers. It is your backfeed solar breaker. From there, you'll move on to your safety disconnect switch, which is just an on-off switch, so you'll flip that on. Right here, you'll see that this lights up. When this lights up, it tells you that you have power going to it. So from there, you'll follow your conduit, which will take you to your Solar Edge inverters. Sometimes you'll have just an inverter. This system has a load center because it is 2 inverters. If you have 1 inverter, you just skip this step. So you'll go over to your load center, you'll turn on both breakers. Each individual breaker is going to one of the 2 Solar Edge inverters. From there, you'll flip on each inverter, verify that this red dip switch is straight up and down, and you'll be good to go. In about 5 minutes, you'll see that you're going to start producing power.